9 months at sea can break your mind faster than any storm. For years, this was the hidden reality of seafarers: long contracts, long watches, and almost no stable connection with home. Messages were delayed, calls were expensive, video was often impossible, and over time, that silence affected morale, focus, and mental health on board. Then, Starlink arrived at sea. Suddenly, many crews got faster, more stable internet than ever before. More messages home, more video calls, less isolation. But here's the truth. Not all ships are equal. Some companies provide internet free for crew. Others set strict limits, throttle speed, or charge extra per gigabyte. And in some fleets, access still depends on rank or route. There is also a technical side nobody talks about enough. Installing ship internet is not just put up an antenna and done. You need safe mounting, clear sky view, protected cable routing, stable power, and backup systems. Salt, vibration, weather, and vessel structure all matter. That's why one ship can have excellent internet while another has constant outages. Same ocean, different company standards. So this is bigger than speed tests. At sea, internet means contact with family, emotional stability, and better crew retention. For many sailors, it's the difference between surviving a contract and burning out. Now let's make this practical. How many gigabytes per month does your company give each crew member? Is internet free on board, limited, or paid per gigabyte? If paid, what is your price for 1 gigabyte? Do you use your own Starlink antenna? And how do you transport and set it up? Share your ship type and route in the comments. Your answer can help other seafarers choose better contracts and better companies. If this topic matters to you, subscribe. More real seafarer systems are coming next.